Hey, welcome to VU Vienna. It's really great that you're a student here. Did you know you can access thousands of journal articles and books from our online library database? Actually, this is really easy. When you're a student here on campus, you're connected automatically to the database through the university Wi-Fi. But what if you're at home researching for a paper? How are you going to connect to this database? That's a simple solution, the VPN connection here. And today we're going to show you how to connect to this VPN connection. So to download this VPN tool, you're going to be using some software which is going to work on a smartphone, a tablet, or a computer. And then you're going to be identified as a real student of VU and not a fake. Because this is how you get the free access to the library in the first place. Remember, before we start, you're going to need admin privileges for your device and your Wi-Fi password. So I imagine many of you are going to be researching a lot on your laptop. So let's start off with this device, setting up a VPN connection for a laptop. First of all, open your internet browser and go to VU's control panel and log in with your credentials. Then click Other VU Services, click VPN at VU, and click on the button to install the software for Windows or Mac. Great, so you've probably just downloaded and installed the Cisco AnyConnect software. Let's get you set up. So open up the software on your computer and type in vpn.wu.ac.at and click Connect. Now you're going to select from the group area, Students of course, and type in your username, which is your student ID number, and then your Wi-Fi password, guys. Alright, then click OK and you should be ready to go. Start searching the database, have fun, and don't forget, of course, when you're done researching to turn off the VPN connection, otherwise it's going to slow down your internet just a bit. Alright, so I bet many of you are going to have some downtime at the airport where you might want to do some research on your phone or tablet. So let's set up a VPN connection on these devices, right? First off, go to the App Store and look for Cisco AnyConnect. You found it? Great. Now download and install this app. Alright, so you've successfully downloaded and installed the app. Now we're going to configure the settings so that you're ready to connect. So open the app and add a new connection. In the description field, type in WU-VPN. And in the server address, type in vpn.vu.ac.at. Click Save, and you're ready to go. Great, so just swipe the button to connect. A page is going to pop up asking you for your credentials, because in Austria we take security pretty seriously. So, from the group, select Students, then type in your username. This is going to be your student ID number, the one that starts with an H. And then for the password, type in your Wi-Fi password. Then click the magic button, connect, and you're ready to start browsing the library database. Great job! Don't forget, when you're done, turn off the VPN connection. Otherwise, your internet's going to get slowed down and you won't want that at all. So have fun, girls and guys, and take care.